Hello all and welcome to your YouTube channel at Dr. Jasmine. Today is the 13th school of our CAAPID program application requirements. The school is Rutgers School of Dental Medicine. A legal disclaimer, this video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute an official advice or endorsement of any institution. We do our best to get you as much updated information as we can, but there's a sincere request that please always visit the CAAPID website and the school website for any new and updated changes. The college name is Rutgers School of Dental Medicine. It's located in Newark, New Jersey, and the degree awarded is a DMD. The website is sdm.rutgers.edu. The program start date is February 2nd, 2026 with a program length of 27 and a program size of 40. The application opens March 17, 2025 and the application deadline is September 17, 2025. There is no supplemental application, but there is a supplemental application fee that can be paid via credit card. INBDE 1 and 2 both are required and the school will accept an INBDE instead of an INBDE Part 1 and 2. TOEFL is required regardless of your immigration status. There's no requirement for GRE, ADAT or a bench test. The school will accept either an ECE or a WES evaluation. 3 letters of evaluations are accepted by the school. The school will sponsor an I-20 and citizen and green card holders are welcome to apply. Please visit the adia.org/CAAPID/program. This is the CAAPID program finder, and here is a link to apply. If you like our channel, please like, share, and subscribe. The channel is youtube.com/Dr. Jasmine, and also join us on Facebook for doctor updates. Look for Dr. Jasmine DMD. Wish you all the best with your application, and if you have any questions, kindly put that in the comment section below. All the best. Take care. Talk to you soon.